Now we are discussing about chemical business options. In that, gold plating is also one of the options. How much does gold plating cost? Generally speaking, the cost of decorative gold plating is ranges from $2 to $3 per square inch, this would not include any usual finishing, restoration, special handling, or pre-treatment. Next point is gold plating real gold? Is gold plated real gold? Gold plated jewelry is made of both real gold twinned with a different base metal. While these pieces are not solid gold, the plating itself consists of real gold. However, for a piece to be labeled gold plated, the layer of gold must be equal or greater than 0.5 microns. And next point is, what is gold plating? Gold plating is the practice of making changes to project that are outside of the original agreed upon scope. Gold plating takes time. The practice is very similar to feature creep, which involves enhancements tacked onto a project at the request of the client. Next point is, how long does gold plating last? After about a year, you can expect a light wear and tear with regular use. However, if you take care of your jewelry and avoid exposing it to chemicals or water, the gold plating can last several years. And the next point is, do jewelers do gold plating? We can plate jewelry pieces which are made of silver, bronze and brass. We can also give your jewelry a new look with a fresh layer of gold, even if it is not previously been gold plated. Next point is, do jewelers do gold plating? We can plate jewelry pieces which are made of silver, bronze and brass. We can also give your jewelry a new look with a fresh layer of gold, even if it is not previously been gold plated. Next point is, can I wear gold plated every day? Yes, you can wear gold plated jewelry every day. However, it is not recommended to shower with gold plated jewelry, as the water may cause the gold to fade over time. So, next point is, does water damage gold plating? Still, you can easily scratch it or cause it to fade with repeated prolonged exposure to water and other harsh elements. Therefore, showering in gold plated jewelry can damage the jewelry and reduce its durability. And the next point is, what are the benefits of gold plating? From protection against corrosion to increased conductivity and durability, gold plated connectors offers numerous advantages: better corrosion protection, improved electrical conductivity, increased durability, ease of application, excellent heat resistance, and non-magnetic. And next point is gold plated permanent? By creating a chemical bond, the plating is a permanent addition to the surface of base metal. This means that it will not naturally fall off or separate. However, plating can be worn off over months and years of use and wear, because this top layer is so thin. It has very specific uses. And the next point is, which gold plating is best? If you are looking for the highest quality demi-fine jewelry, a vermeil collection with thick plating in 18K gold would be a good choice. If you don't mind a lower base metal, gold filled pieces are probably your best bet when it comes to long lasting and durable jewelry. And next point is, how thick is 24K gold plating? The density of 24K gold plating is 12.4 milligrams, 45 milligrams for each square square inch of area plated to a thickness of 1 micron. Therefore, if evenly distributed 1 gram of 24K gold will plate approximately 160 square inches of area to a thickness of half micron. And the next point is, can you sell gold plated? The answer is yes, you can absolutely pawn gold plated jewelry, but it depends on the base metal. Pawning gold plated jewelry is really gold plated jewelry is really only ever worthwhile if the base metal of your item is made of a precious base metal like silver. This is the information regarding gold plating. So gold plating ornaments also you can wear, but the showering and all these things roughly will not be possible because it will be fade out. That is the information. But gold plated in occasions and otherwise, if you are going outside, you can wear it. It is gold plate is permanent, but metal is not. Gold that gold item may not be permanent, but gold plated is permanent. It can cover your metal, and as well as it gives a good look to you also. Wishing you all the best.